traveling around among the people whom we were helping, it was extraordinarily uplifting to see the resilience of children and the courage of the families in the face of something that you and I can hardly imagine happening in our lives. They still managed to find a way to cope. They still managed to find a way to communicate with us. And even uplifting to see not just that we had been able to save lives, but that we were actually able to bring hope and to bring smiles and even laughter back to these children who had lost everything and who were so traumatized. We were able to see children using our recreation kits to laugh, to play, to run around, and just be children. This is really the first step to help them start overcoming the trauma that will be in their memories, unfortunately, for many, many years.